Alright, can I have 2 mango smoothies? Yes. There you go. Right, I got myself 2 coconut waters. Look, I'm greedy today, so I'm thirsty as fuck. I don't care. I'm taking as much as I want. But it's really nice. I mean, you get to scoop it with a spoon as well. So it's really cool. Okay, so we just got tickets, 4 tickets to go to Railay Beach. Gonna see how it is. Okay. Alright, yeah. 4 people. Where do we go? Wait, sit here, yeah? Okay, thanks. Right. Wow, this dude is taking me right now. I wasn't aware of the system, but whatever. Let's take our shoes off. It's kind of mad. Yeah. Get out. Just jump out, bro. Get the ball. Hey? Why does it look so weird? I don't know actually. I don't know where the actual beach starts. Oh, there you go. Down there, that's where the real shit starts. It's 100, isn't it? How much is it? 80. I only have 1,000. Is that okay? Thank you so much. I feel kind of bad, but whatever.
They have a lot of money, I think.
Something about that. It's just awkward to change.
Yeah.
But whatever. She's happy to do it. Orange juice?
Yes.
Thank you so much. The quad. Right, we're at Franong Beach right now. It took quite a walk to get there. You go through like lots of caves, or near some caves. And it looks absolutely amazing. We have mad rocks there, and we're going away from Railay Beach. I think Railay Beach is in that direction. I'm trying to go there. I don't care. I'm not staying on the beach. I can't be arsed. And also something down there. And this is crazy. This beach is lovely. I think you can swim in it. There's a lot more people here. I don't think there's as much danger from the shitty jellyfish I was talking about earlier. It's cooler actually here. I mean, it is slightly late. It's about 3 p.m. Beautiful. But yeah, the cave system we were going through were absolutely wonderful. And yeah, I was trying to see if there's any snakes, but I couldn't find any. It's fucking shit. Anyway, I'm trying to go up that trail. If there's a trail up there, I'm going to go up it. Because I'm a bit bored of just sitting at the beach, to be honest. Dripping rocks as well. Yo, what the fuck? This terrain changed, bro. It's all orange. What the fuck? Okay, I don't really know what to do now. Right, I'm in another part of the beach now. I just walked all the way from down there, where the caves are, to here now. I don't really know what's here, but I'm just kind of bored to be fair. I'm not really bothered about beaches, so I'm just enjoying these views. Monkeys here as well, they've come back. Fascinating. But yeah, you can't really do shit here. I mean, there's boats down there, but you'd have to walk quite far. Oh, we could actually get through, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Hey. Hello. Rat race. Right, we're about to return right now. Finally, after a few hours at Railay, or around Railay, we now get to dip. Yes?
Fan.
What do you mean?
Sorry.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't understand what you meant. No. Chaos all over, bro. What the fuck? Thanks. And we're back at Thailand. Yeah, sunset is arriving. So I mean, if you look behind me, oh my days, it looks insane. Getting that toilet, not bad. Fucking hell. Wow. Rat race is crazy, but it's crazy as well. This fire is mad.
Everyone did it, Luca. It's the name Luca from UK.
Bro really said strange things to music. The music is actually enlightening. Hello. You know the Hong Island? Do you need to buy it in advance?
No, same day.
Same day, yeah? Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so you don't need to buy anything in advance. I just wanted to check that. What the fuck is going on? Shit. Cheers. This is fucking crazy. So many fucking people, bro. And it's Sunday.